Hello everybody, it's Mrs. Twinter. Just wanted to check in with you to make sure you know that there are resources available to help with math. If you click in the parent group and click over here to resources and choose math again, if you look in unit 1, which is the unit we're on, you can see there's a parent overview. You can see the whole unit, but you can click on unit 1 topic A, and you can see that it's lessons 1 through 4, which we sent home lesson 3 yesterday. So you could read that to have a resource to be helping at home. But also, if you wanted more resources, if you click back, you can see there's videos to go along with every lesson. So, for example, lesson 3 was yesterday. You could click on lesson 3, and a video will come up that you can watch to go along with the video. Just wanted to make sure you knew that resource was available, and if you have any further questions, please let me know. Thanks so much.